Welcome to 1302 Winter Springs Boulevard. This house is a luxury listing that just hit the market. There's no HOA on this beauty, and she is on the 8th tee box of the Tuscawilla Country Club golf course. This is absolutely a stunning entranceway, custom carpet, wrought iron, staircase, banister, and then immediately you have views to the pool and the golf course. And I just absolutely love this space. I'll talk more about it later whenever we go out there. This is what I would think is the formal living room. You could also make it your dining room. And as she has it set up now, this is your formal dining room. I love the chandelier. I love the custom paint. I love the custom carpet. And if you look up, there is custom paint in the coffered ceilings. The kitchen is just ginormous. There's like not much to say about that. It is just huge. That kitchen island is amazing. The summer kitchen has a grill, an ice maker, a warming tray, a refrigerator, a sink, and there's just so much natural light that floods this house because there's so many nice, big, beautiful windows. So coming in through the kitchen, you do have a gas range right there in the island with a propane tank. There are two fireplaces in this house, and they are both also gas fireplaces. There's one in this formal living room too. On this wing of the house, there is the office, and it is tucked back here with the master bedroom and then also the pool bath, which is probably the bathroom that your guests will use, whether they're inside or whether they're outside at the pool. The master bedroom is huge, and again, just the whole house is just really bright and light, and the ceilings are so tall, just so much natural light floods this house. And the bathroom is giant, but the master closet is very, very impressive. I can see some custom built-ins there. Absolutely, that would be stunning. So yeah, in the bathroom you have the walk-in shower, the jacuzzi tub. I don't know what else more you could need. Coming back in through the foyer, these French double doors just have a chokehold on me. I absolutely love them. So up the stairs, up here, we're gonna have 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and this huge loft, this media room. This could be a second living room. This space is huge, and the balcony offers these incredible views of the golf course, and the balcony is actually giant, so you have lots of space and versatility there. On one side is this 1 bedroom, 1 bath, and then on the other side is this incredible little area with the homework station, and then you have 2 bedrooms and 1 Jack and Jill bathroom between them. So I just love this space up here. It is so cozy, it's expansive. The upstairs is almost as big as the downstairs. It just kind of keeps going. There's all these bedrooms and bathrooms, and I love this extra loft space too. And you have such a great view from the balcony here. And as you can see, that's a pretty good size balcony. So I hope that you guys enjoyed the tour. If you have any questions, let me know.